Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If today on the first video you're seeing my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, I go to show now how to do this juice. Okay, cucumber, lime and ginger juice. Like this juice, it work very good. Like if your tummy big, you want lose weight, guys, I did on a weight loss journey now for the past 1 week. This na one of the drink when I dey take. Like trust me guys, e work very well. Like e dey work. Like if you drink am 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass in the evening, like all those yama wey dey your belle, like you go poop them out. Like you go poop them out, guys. E work very good. So this na the lime, the ginger and the lemon. Like I don cut the ginger, I don wash them already, so I can't cut the ginger, I mean the cucumber into small pieces, then together with the ginger I can't cut am. Then this na the lime, I just dey try to bring out the juice. So after I don bring out the juice, then I can't put am inside my blender, come pour the juice, then put 1 glass of water. Guys, trust me, this drink work very good. Like for the past 1 week now I have been taking it. Like e dey work very well, guys. Please abeg make una no forget to like, subscribe and share. If you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget. Okay, so this is it. I don put am for my blender, then I come put the juice, guys. And another thing wey this juice dey do, like e go make you look younger. See, trust me guys, e go make you look younger. So far for the past 1 week when I know dey take am, I don lose about 7 kilo. Yes, I don lose about 7 kilo. So I just pour the lime juice, that's not the lime, the juice, then I come put 1 glass of water, then I come blend. Yeah, very easy to make. You know, they take much time. So I don't blend and finish. I can come for my glass cup. Guys, this work very good. Like if you want, maybe say you get the like may you not feed the ginger for the juice, just put am for fridge, make it cold small. I dey like put am for fridge. Okay, so this is it guys, e don ready. Okay, e don ready. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, may you not forget to like, subscribe and share. If you never share, abeg make you not forget. Okay, so I just test am for now. Yes, just dey very okay, very okay. So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.